Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1026, maximum difference between node and ancestor. Given the root of a binary tree, find the maximum value v for which there exists different nodes A and B, where v equals to absolute value a dot val minus b dot val, and A is an ancestor of B, and not A is an ancestor of B if either any child of A is equal to B or any child of A is an ancestor of B. So it's quite difficult description, but meaning is easy. We need to find maximum difference between any ancestor and the child values. So you can see example 1, and for instance 8 is ancestor to all other nodes, and so we need to find the maximum difference between two values. For instance, in example 1, the maximum difference is 7, and it's the difference between node with value 8 and 1. So the maximum difference can be in two cases. One case when we have some node value and the ancestor value is maximum. So in example 1, this case, we have a minimum value of node 1 and maximum ancestor value 8. Second case, when we have minimum ancestor value, for instance in example 2 it's 1, and in this case we need to find the maximum value of child. In this case it's 3. So and also, because we have a binary tree, the easiest way to solve it to use recursion functions. So we will check each node and compare the node value with maximum and minimum value of any ancestors. Let's do it. First of all, let's define some helper function. This function will be recursion. First argument current node, second argument min ancestor value, and max ancestor value. First of all, we need to define the base case. In our case, it's empty node. So if not node, just return maximum difference 0. The main logic is find maximum value. What it can be? First of all, it can be an absolute difference between minimum ancestor value and current node value. Second options, difference between current node value and maximum value. And Another two options is recursion call, so the same function for left and right subtree. In this case, we need to update minimum and maximum ancestor values because for left subtree, current node is else ancestor. So we need to update min value node dot val and min and max else node dot val and max val, and the same for the right subtree. That's its solution, and let's call it helper root. And by default, for the first node, minimum and maximum ancestor value will be the current root value. So by default, the maximum difference is 0. So that's it. Let's check tests. Test passed, submitted. Yes, it works. It's pretty efficient. And thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.